Good morning, everyone. It's Rain here. So I just wanted to show you how to wash a wheel of cheese. This is my Fontina. This is the first Fontina I made with the culture MA11. The second Fontina is over here in its ripening box that I made with a culture called ALPD, which is supposed to be good for alpine cheeses or any type of cheese that is Swiss-like. So I've done two wheels because I want to compare the taste when the time comes. Now for Fontina, it's originally an Italian cheese. For Fontina, you have to wash your cheese every other day for a month, and then for 2 to 3 months, twice a week. So I'm going to show you how I wash the cheese. And this is my brine here. I put a little bit in a bowl because I'm not going to put it back in. So basically, I'm just taking a little brine in my hand, and I'm washing my cheese like this. That's really all there is to it. This is supposed to encourage the cheese to develop a rind, because Fontina does have a rind on it. So I'm just going over it. At the same time, I can check for mold. So far, so good, though. It's only been in the ripening box overnight, but it smells pretty good, and it's really hard already. So that's it. That's it. I've washed Fontina number 1, and I'm going to put it back in the ripening box. Now, these are dollar store boxes that I had to buy the other day because I just didn't have room in the small cheese cave. And my last post shows my emergency cheese cave, which is a styrofoam cooler with those blue freezer thingies in it. So I bought, at the dollar store, I bought a few of these, and I bought a few of these little dishes. Basically, what I do is I put this inside, and then I put a bamboo mat on top, and then the cheese, and that's it. And inside, to keep it at a good humidity level, this is just a piece of paper towel that I wet. It's soaked. So I just stick it in there on the bottom, put the bamboo mat in. I had to cut it. It's a little crooked, but I had to cut it to fit. You need a good pair of wire cutters for that, because this is hard to cut. And that's it. It goes right back in. I have my little binder clip here, right here, to make sure that there is some airflow, and then it goes back into the cheese cave like that. As you can see here, my second Fontina, it's already evaporated, but you can still see that there's moisture buildup on the lid. You want to make sure you wipe that off every day so that it doesn't encourage mold. But that's a good sign, because that tells you that you have a good humidity level in your ripening box. So I'm going to wash Fontina number 2, and I can't wait to try these two cheeses. This is the first time I'm ever going to be able to do a taste test with two different cheeses that I've made. It's very exciting.